Hi everyone, good morning. So today we are going to be discuss balance sheet analysis. There is lots of thing to focus on the balance sheet analysis, but we are here going to be look at the five ratios there which help to analyze the balance sheet. So without wasting a time, let's start the video quickly. So first ratio is that a quick ratio is their goal why we are going to be use quick ratio in a balance sheet. So the reason is that why check the solvency of a company and how fast can they repay their short term debt with their quick asset. It means that solvency we focus on the solvency of the company, how the company can pay their debt in a short term in a 1 year, between the 1 year. That is nature of the quick ratio. Formula of the quick ratio is that quick asset upon current liability, where quick asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. So that is the quick ratio. And the second one is that the asset turnover ratio. So why we are focused on the asset turnover ratio? The goal is that the higher the number, the less asset you need to make. It means that the asset turnover ratio is higher, the need of the purchase asset and making asset is less. The formula make revenues. So formula turnover upon net tangible asset. So turnover, it means that the overall turnover of the business, and the and the net tangible asset, it means that the tangible asset which is a fixed asset which the business using for a long period of time. The third one is that of working capital goal measure the capital used to finance the daily operation. It means that the day-to-day requirement of the business, it is known as the working capital. Formula current asset minus current liability. Current asset, it means that the total overall asset which are used in a 1 year, related to like bills receivable, trade receivable, and current asset like short term assets, inventory, that kind of things. And current liabilities, it is a liability which is to the business within a 1 year have to pay the burden. It is known as the current liability. Yeah. And fourth one is that the inventory turnover ratio. Goal measure how many month inventory do you have on your balance sheet. It means that the month inventory do you have on your balance sheet. Formula cost of goods sold upon average inventory. That ratio we measure inventory, like how much inventory we have monthly and how we sell that inventory. Cash conversion cycle, CCC. Check how many days you need to convert your cash out for inventory in cash in for from sales. Formula days of inventory outstanding plus days sale outstanding, days payable outstanding. When we plus all the things, and that is known as the